Aṣọẹbí is a Yoruba word that means family clothes. Back then, Aṣọẹbí is a uniform family clothes worn as a means of identification of the celebrant's family during an occasion or event. Currently, Aṣọẹbí has become a household name not just in Nigeria, but down to Sierra Leone and Gambia as a word for uniform clothes that friends, family, and well-wishers can wear to an event or a party. Búkà. Búkà is another Yoruba word that has gained its popularity into the Oxford English Dictionary. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, Búkà is a roadside restaurant or street mall with a sitting area selling cooked food at low prices. For me, I prefer Búkà than the usual restaurants because that is where I will get the native food cooked perfectly. It's Búkà. If you have ever been called Ajebota before, it's because you are a wealthy person who can't face stress or hard life like an average Nigerian person. Ajebota is a Yoruba word that means someone who eats butter. Je is to eat. Butter is a soft substance, so it means someone who is born to live a soft life and can't face a hard or stressful life like an average Nigerian person. The opposite of Ajebota is Ajepako. Ajepako means someone born from a poor background who is trained to face hard and stressful life. So, are you Ajebota or Ajepako? Have you ever attended Ówàńbẹ before? Anyway, that's by the way. Ówàńbẹ is another popular Yoruba word which means it is there. It was popularly used by the musician Tunde Nightingale in his songs during an event. Currently, the word Ówàńbẹ is being used to mean a Nigerian style of party or events where you see people wear Aṣọẹbí, there must be jollof rice, dancing, and different things. In fact, they must share souvenir. If you have never attended Ówàńbẹ before, you are missing big time. I know you are also familiar with the word Aṣẹ́wó to mean prostitute. Aṣẹ́wó is a Yoruba word gotten from Àṣẹ Owó. Share is to break down something into smaller units. So the word Aṣẹ́wó means someone who can break down money into smaller denomination. So for example, if I have one note of 1,000 naira and I want to give someone just 100 naira from it, I will need to go and meet someone who has smaller denomination of Nigerian currency to break it down for me so that I can give one note of 100 naira out of my 1,000 naira. Back then, it was a common practice among the prostitutes to have lower denomination of Nigerian currency. Maybe because that is what they collect from their customers. That was why they were given that name, Aṣẹ́wó. Currently, the word Aṣẹ́wó has become a household name, not just in Nigeria, but even down to Ghana. And it's not only used for prostitutes alone, but as a derogatory word for anyone who dresses in a naked or revealing way. Tòkunbọ is another popular Yoruba word used in Nigeria that has gained its popularity into the Oxford English Dictionary. The word Tòkunbọ is gotten from Ti Okunbọ, which means to come from or across the sea. Okun is sea, Bo is to return. The word is popularly used for fairly used things that are imported from overseas. An imported fairly used car from America is called Tòkunbọ car. I know you've heard people say, I want to Jápa from Nigeria. Jápa is another Yoruba word that means to escape from a bad, unpleasant, difficult situation. So next time when someone tells you, I want to Jápa from Nigeria, what they are trying to say is that they want to escape from Nigeria to a better country to live a better life. So which one are you familiar with? And which one do you prefer?